Kung nagte-tennis ka o mahilig lang magsuot ng kakaibang comfy sneaker, baka magustuhan mo to. Once again, it's Lex, your sneaker specialist of Collector Finds. Tara, unbox na natin. This is the On Roger Pro 2 Pink Grenadine colorway. Here's the closer look of the pair. By the way, this one is for tennis but can also be worn for lifestyle. Actually, this is not the first time that we unbox this pair. Meron din kami na itong all-white colorway before na in-unbox, which you can check on our profile. So dito makikita mo kakaibang pink siya, medyo pinkish red. Sa mga hindi nakakalam still, kay Roger Federer tong shoes. Ayan, makikita mo dito sa tongue niya, R, which means Roger. And then On Cloud na logo. And also here is the likod. And for the outsole, it's also pinkish red. Yeah. Talagang kakaiba. Yan. Kung nagpi-pickleball ka rin, pwede mo rin itong gamitan kasi parang same lang naman din sila ng traction and use ang tennis and pickleball. This one is available in men's and women's sizes pero hindi mo siya mabibili kahit saan. Good thing is, meron to sa Collector Finds. Kaya kung gusto mo na ito, i-message mo na agad sila.